lot of people think elegance is all about standing out. You know what real elegance is all about? It's when you enter a room, you talk to someone, you go away. But 10 days later, they still remember you. That is being unforgettable. Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be sharing 8 essential habits or skills a person must possess. These are the things that you can put into practice right after watching this video. So you can literally get started right away. And I really hope you do so. Because if you want to uplift your life standards and want a level up, this will be a game changer for you. So let's start. So the first thing is about taking your time and set the right tone of your day. Instead of just getting out of your bed and jumping into the day, we must learn to take our time and glide into the day. We must learn to avoid hustle and should improve our morning routine by taking a glass of warm water, by journalizing, by meditating or saying a quiet gratitude prayer to yourself. कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो आपको हेल्प करे to set the tone of your day. Just take things slowly. The true essence of this is that stillness is the new luxury. Just take your time without any hurry. Just relax. Every morning, what I like to do is to journalizing my thoughts ताकि मैं अपने डे को प्लान कर सकूं. Also, in order to set my daily realistic goals and what different can I make from my previous day. Learn to build self-confidence. We must learn to have self-confidence in ourselves in order to get stand out in front of others, which matters a lot. The thing is that हम जो भी स्टाइल आउट करते हैं अगर उसे कॉन्फिडेंटली रिप्रेजेंट करें we will going to be unbeatable. For instance, the clothes that we wear they hold energy. If we wear formal clothes we feel confident. If we wear ethnic clothes, we feel elegant, soft, in fact classy. The thing is that we must learn to dress with intention. When you look good, you feel good. If we try to wear those kind of clothes in which we are comfortable and feel confident, we will be limitless. Learn to say no without any guilt. Every yes that costs your peace is a no to yourself. Your peace matters a lot than their expectation. Saying no, it's not about being mean. It's about being mature. Prioritize yourself and believe in yourself. Trust the process. You're going to be okay. So anytime you want to say no without offending others, just practice sandwich scripting, which include 2 parts good, 1 part bad. That is, sandwich the bad news in between the good ones. But we must also learn to say no directly. Just take a pause, breathe and choose yourself. Learn to have communication skills. सी लाइफ में कई बार ऐसा होगा कि आपको लगेगा कि आप अपना पॉइंट किसी के सामने रख नहीं पाते, आपके पास इतने अच्छे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स नहीं है, या आपको अगर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करने को कहा जाए आपसे बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. मेरे को भी ऑनेस्टली यही लगता था. बट दैट्स व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड आउट दिस चैनल टू स्पीक कॉन्फिडेंटली इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर्स, टू बिल्ड माई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, और मैं अपने थॉट्स को ओपनली किसी के सामने रख सकूं. इसलिए मैंने ये चैनल स्टार्ट किया. लर्न टू सेट रियलिस्टिक गोल्स. सी कई बार हम इतने ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड होते हैं कि हम अनरियलिस्टिक गोल सेट करना शुरू कर देते हैं. जिससे होता क्या है, हम इतने ज़्यादा मल्टीपल गोल सेट कर देते हैं जो हमारे टाइम लिमिट के अंदर कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाते और हम डीमोटिवेटेड हो जाते हैं. हम इतने ज़्यादा डिस्करेज हो जाते हैं कि हमें लगता है कि यार हमसे तो होने से रहा ये काम, और हम क्विट कर देते हैं. So instead of that, set small, realistic and achievable goals which not only help us to keep motivated but will help to remain consistent without spoiling other day in regret. Small changes, big results. There is one of my favorite quote which is about what you are not changing, you are choosing. See, if you want to see remarkable changes in yourself, you must learn to make tiny changes every day. That is, become 1% better every day. Accept what you have, live in the present as it is a gift. Live without regrets. Accept your decisions. Just be authentic, be yourself. Learn to avoid comparison. See, इस पॉइंट के साथ मैं बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेट कर सकती हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि अर्लियर मैं अपने आप को हर एक के साथ कंपेयर करती थी, जिसका रिजल्ट क्या आता था, मैं कभी अपने आप को अप्रिशिएट नहीं करती थी, अपनी हर एक विन को सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर पाती थी और हमेशा रिग्रेट में रहती थी. Later on I realized कि यार कंपैरिजन करने से हमेशा रिग्रेट ही होगा. Instead of that, we must celebrate each win of ours and learn to avoid comparison. See, everything will come to you at perfect time. Just trust the process. Stop comparing yourself with others as everyone has their own talents. Just you need to figure out yours. Instead of that, work on yourself. Give your best rather than expecting or comparing from others.
I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be.
Lastly, it is okay to be not okay. पता है कई बार क्या होता है, हम चीज़ों से इतना ज़्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं कि हमें रियलाइज़ ही नहीं होता कि अब हम फेड अप होना शुरू करें. इन दैट केस वी मस्ट लर्न टू स्लो डाउन. Just take your time, believe in yourself, and you are going to be okay. Slowing down doesn't mean falling behind. It means to take your time or giving yourself a space, which matters a lot. See, life में कई बार हमें ऐसा लगेगा कि हम पीछे रह रहे हैं, but ऐसा नहीं है. Everyone takes their own time so that you can keep going towards your goals and dreams. So keep working on yourself.
Don't.
So that's all for this video. I hope you genuinely took something away from this. If you did, I want you to treat the space like you own in the comments. And don't forget to share your love and do subscribe my channel for such videos. Till then, bye bye.